we come back to if move upload file here. I want to do is to update record into database. We just need to style a variable update image equal MySQLi fetch query supply record. And inside a double quote here, we receive update statement and update user sample set image equal variable image where id equal variable section user id. And let's say find this out. We come back to web browser and below page. We select another image. We can select on this C, and we eCommerce assemble eCommerce. We just try select image upload files. And let's say the file. You see, it has upload a record into a database and we come back to PHP my main page here. And open eCommerce CMS to show or database. User. And we open user table. We let image. Let's take a look at this here. Our image with UJFA code has not the code here. To fix this error, we come back to take and open database database file .php and it's in in loose function. This is try we use MySQLi query and specify where con. And inside a double quote we use set statement and name. Number key UTFA. Set name UTFA. Thế mình will set a database language to UTFA. We set a file and we come back to web browser and hit enter. We route to image that's Latin language here. Let's try again and save the file. We come back to PHP MySQL page and on a table user here. We list on route text again. You see it has encode UTF-8 Latin language, and we come back to web browser and hit enter again. It has delay again. And another thing that we need to do is to check if the file size is more than 5 megabyte, and we do that by going back to user.picture.php file. At the top of if file is just here. We put another if statement. If variable files image size if variable files image size greater than, we check if variable files image size less than less than 5 megabyte. And we are put correct. We put close bracket here, and put PHP command, and if the file size more than 5 megabyte, and we'll show at the top of if just file here. We also put PHP command just if the file size more than 5 megabyte. If the file's image size less than 5 megabyte, and we execute of code here, and else statement, we go to at the else statement here, we put else statement, and we execute a message equal file size must 5 megabyte. Now let's say a file and just out. We come back to a web browser and hit enter, and then we'll page. Let's try by choose a size that's greater than 5 megabyte. We found see choose a file that's greater than 5 megabyte, and click on the save button. We see happy warning box here because message has not delay because this is local host server, and if you upload a website on a local hosting server, it will not display a message text here. Choose another picture. Data picture. Choose one again. File already is. We come back to THL, and we need to add some if statement for user publisher .php file. At the bottom of the if file exists here, we need to put another if statement and correct it. and inside if here we if web upload okay equals system. If upload okay equals system, we execute echo message dockside equal and sorry, your file will not upload. We put PHP command here. Check if upload okay is set to by an error. Okay, let's save file and just once again. We come back here and hit enter, and then we will paste. We will choose is this file here. We are save the file, and you say sorry, file already exists, and another text has to be here, and sorry, your file will not upload. Okay, we have done for this tutorial, and thanks for watching. See you next video.